Hi there. How are you today? I got a cherry bomb for you. See the cherry? It's there. We're looking at LAZR, a SPAC. We've done a few SPACs so far, special purpose acquisition company, right? LAZR is one that deals with, well, from what I read in a cherry bomb email, laser technology. And of course, this is normally where I would, in my mind, I envision a certain movie about sharks with laser beams. But this company apparently doesn't deal with sharks and laser beams. It deals with laser ranging technology that's useful in autonomous vehicles. So apparently this one is involved in flight as well. So that'd be kind of cool. Either way, we're looking at capitalizing on the high IV right now. So we're going to look at a short put that comes to us from Tasty Trade in their Cherry Bomb email list. So if you're interested in that, let's take a look at this trade. And I have an alternative for you. So stick around towards the end. We'll give you an alternative trade. That's why it says or ... right? Okay, cool. Hi everybody, my name is Neil and this is Option Theory. I do thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching it today. I do appreciate that. On screen here you can see we have the little modest portfolio that we've put together with some of my own trades, and most of these are cherry bomb trades or modified versions of them, because we don't just do cherry bomb trades, right? We manage them. This is our flight simulator. You can see we're in paper money, right? So stick around to the end. I'll tell you how you can join us and have this become an interactive learning experience for you. But for now, let's get to the trade. And I'm looking for charts. There's the chart right now for LAZR, right? Luminar Technologies. We can see we've had some big, even though there's a red candle there, we can see that trend pretty high, pretty big move up here. So naturally, for me, I find big moves like this, I want to be contrarian, although we have seen higher recently, right? We're still on lower lows and lower highs, right? Although we haven't come down yet. I don't know. Are you bullish on this one? Either way, we're going to explore two bullish opportunities. So let's get to it. Let's go to the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the May 21st monthlies. I lied. That's not true. We're going to be in the June 18th monthlies. I was in the May 18th monthlies, I think, for something recently. I don't know what that was for, but clearly I was there. We're in LAZR. Make sure that's typed into your ticker box up here. And then we're going to come down here and look at the 1750 put, which is a 13 delta right now. So you could sell that for 85 cents for a mid price. There that is. And so you might think to yourself, 85 cents, that's $85. That's a lot of risk, right? How much are we risking, right? Well, we would be risking roughly, let's call it $1,700, $17,000, right? 17,000, 1,700, 1,700. I got this. All right, so let's go ahead then. And now that we see this, by the way, contract size is 1. And going to right click. No, I'm not going to right click. I'm going to risk profile. I'm all sorts of screwy today. All right, let's zoom this out. And you know what? Make sure our date in the top right is set to the date in the bottom left corner. You'd think like this is the first time I've done this. It's not. I do this 5 days a week. I'm a little ashamed of myself right now. All right. Now let's shrink that. There we go. Let's get our gold price slice to match our break even at expiration for what I call the goalpost. We're looking at, according to Thinkorswim, a 78% probability at expiration of ending up on or to the right of this gold price slice, what I like to call the probability of profit, according to Thinkorswim. All right, and so our max loss, we'll see all that information, but it's going to be 1750 minus the 85 that we see here, right? So what is that? Let's take a look here, confirm and send. And we're seeing here that we could lose $1,665 should LAZR go kaput, right? Explode, implode, whatever the right word is. That would be bad. Catastrophic failure of this LAZR would result in that much damage. All right, now, If you like that trade, if you're cool with that, right? Because there's like a 90% probability that in the next 52 days, you'll be able to take 50% of that profit, which I know 4250 is not exciting. It's not sexy. Just like Tom Sosnoff mentioned in his Cherry Bomb email yesterday, which Mondays are motivational, no trade ideas on Mondays. All right. Well, we did a Beyond Meat earnings trade yesterday. So look for a card if you're interested in that one, because their earnings still haven't happened yet. But I think it's May 6th is when that's happening. I could be wrong. All right. That is one trade that we're going to do. And you know what? We're going to put that into our margin account. And we're going to, of course, because this is the fun of using paper money, we're going to experiment. We're going to test this strategy out, compare it with a different strategy, but using our IRA account, because both of these are IRA safe trades. So let's go ahead and hit send. That puts it into working orders. I'm going to switch over to my IRA account, right? And I'm going to go back and I'm going to build a similar but slightly different trade. All right. So let's go back over here. We're now at instead of selling the 1750 put, what I'm going to look to do is buy the 2250, and then I want to sell the 20, and I want to sell 2 of the 20s. Oops, there we go. So we're looking at a ratio spread, right? Oh, that would be great if I actually, did that right here. It's not going to let me do the ratio, huh? Oh, that's a bummer. Let's try that again. How do I get the ratio? I'd like to do a ratio, thank you very much. But I don't want the 20. I want the 2250 20. 2250 short the 20. There we go. I think we got it. Yay. We're no longer single up here. We're on the back ratio. So let's go ahead. Now that we see that, we're going to be long the 2250, short the 2 of the 20 puts. Let's take a look at our risk profile on this one. So our break even is only slightly higher. Okay, let's go find out what that break even is. All right. So we're looking at a 77% probability of profiting on this one. In this case, though, we do have a potential max profit of, let's call it $300. So $300 max profit should we end up right here at our short strikes, right, at expiration. But look, if we end up anywhere above that, right, we're still making $60. Yes, it's not 85, but we also have potential to make more. So this is that ratio spread. I like this one better. I still can make profit going up, and I still have great probabilities, and I have potential at least to make more money. What do you think about these two strategies? I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear from anyone, except for the spammers, man, with their little links to the naughty sites. Stop it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and right click this trade, choose confirm and send. You can see here that we could make a maximum of $310. We could lose, instead of $16.65, we could lose $16.90. So similar risk, greater profit potential. That's why I like this trade. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that's set to my IRA and hit send. And let's compare those two trades. If you made it this far into my video, I'm going to hit the thumbs up for you. Thank you so much. If you think I've earned it, if you like what you got here, there is a thumbs up button. If you could hit that, drop me a like, I'd appreciate it. All right. Are you new to options? Are you just looking for someone to practice with? We could be that for you, right? So option theory here is dedicated to practicing and honing our craft, right? Learning on a flight simulator before you're risking your own real hard-earned money. Join us. 2 steps. Step number 1, get the Cherry Bomb email list, sign up for it. It's not me, it's Tasty Trade. There's a link in the description below. Next step, come back to YouTube, subscribe to this channel, and ring the bell. The ringing the bell is so that you get notified when these trade videos come out so that you can go ahead and put them on as well. As you see, we don't just give you the Cherry Bomb. So yeah, you can subscribe to the Cherry Bomb email list, but we also give you alternatives. We look at the probabilities together. I hope that provides value for you, and I do look forward to seeing you in future videos. So until then, may the market be with you.